In this video, I'm going to be teaching you and showing you how you can make money daily using the Bybit trading bot. I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide, and also I'll be showing you and teaching you the advantages and disadvantages of using trading bots to trade. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Now, before you can use the trading bot on Bybit, the first thing you need to do is to deposit funds into your funding wallet. Now, I already have a video on how to deposit funds into your funding wallet via P2P on the Bybit app. So I'll be dropping the link to that video in the description below. So in case you don't know how to deposit funds into your funding wallet on Bybit, I'll be dropping the link to that tutorial in the description below. Now, in case you have funds in your Bybit account, but the funds are in your spot wallet, you will need to transfer the funds to your funding wallet on the Bybit platform. So all you need to do is just go to your asset page or your wallet page on the Bybit app and click on transfer. Then you'll be asked to enter where you want to transfer from to where you want to transfer to. So you pick that you're transferring from your spot wallet to your funding wallet, and then you enter the amount you want to transfer, and the funds will be transferred to your funding wallet. So the reason I'm telling you all of this is that you must have funds in your funding wallet before you can use the Bybit trading bot. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm currently on the home page of the Bybit platform, and to go to the trading bot page, you come straight to where you have trade right here at the top, and when you scroll down, you're going to be seeing where you have trading bot. So you click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you to the trading bot page on Bybit. So right here on the screen is where you have the Bybit trading bot page. Now, in case you are using your phone to trade, this is how you can get to the trading bot page on the app. Now, as you can see, I'm on the home page of the app, and the first thing you need to do is to tap on where the arrow is pointing to where you have trading bot. Now, right here, it will take you straight to the Bybit trading bot page on the app. Now, I'm going to be using my laptop for this tutorial, but the step-by-step guide or the process is the same thing on your phone. So whether you're using your laptop or your phone, it is the same thing. So whatever I'm showing you on my laptop right now is the same thing that you can also do if you are using your app or your phone to trade. So let's go back to the laptop. Now, the Bybit trading bot has 3 different subsections, as you can see on the screen. And they are spot grid, DCA, which is also known as dollar cost average, and the third one is the futures grid. Now, I'm going to be explaining these 3 trading bots to you and how to use them. So again, please pay attention in this video so you can understand how to use them. Now, I'm going to be starting with the DCA, and then I'll come to the spot grid, and I'll end the video with the futures grid. So if you want to do the DCA, you click on it right here. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the DCA trading bot page on Bybit. Now, for DCA, like I said, DCA means dollar cost average. Now, for this, you can set your trading bot to help you invest in a particular cryptocurrency periodically using the dollar cost averaging method. And for me, this is the best way if you want to invest in any cryptocurrency. Now, let me explain further. This means that you can decide to buy, let's say, BTC every week with $20. Now, if you set all the details you need to set, which I'll be showing you later in this video, that means that this trading bot will be investing $20 every week for you in BTC without you doing anything. So you don't need to come and be investing in it manually or for you to come to the app to invest. Once you set all of the things you need to set on the trading bot will help you invest in Bitcoin every week with $20. But you must have the funds in your funding wallet already. Now, this feature on Bybit is also similar to the auto invest feature on the Binance app. Now, the auto invest feature on the Binance also helps you to make money by investing in crypto using the dollar cost averaging strategy. Now, as you can see here, the first thing you need to set is the currency you want to use to invest. So you can either use your USDT or your USDC to invest. So let's, for example, I want to use USDT to invest. That means that that's the currency you have in your funding wallet. Now, the next thing is, which crypto do you want to invest in? So you can see we have BTC right here. If you want to pick another cryptocurrency, just come here and pick this drop-down arrow. And right here, you can see the different cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. These are the different cryptocurrencies you can invest in with the DCA trading. So let's, for example, you want to pick BTC. Just click on confirm. Now you can enter the amount you want to invest in BTC right here. So let's, for example, I want to invest $20 in BTC periodically. Just enter $20 right there. Now, if you want to invest in multiple cryptocurrencies, you can do that. So to do that, maybe you want to invest in another cryptocurrency, just come here to where you have plus add crypto. Now, if you click on it, you can pick another cryptocurrency you want to invest in. So let's say I want to invest in ETH. So you can pick ETH right here. And let's say I also want to add, let me add one more crypto. So let's say I want to add ADA to it. I can pick ADA right here. And let's click on confirm. You can see the two cryptocurrencies I just added. So let's say I also want to invest, $20 periodically in ETH. And then for Cardano, I want to invest $10. So you can see it. That means I'm investing $50 altogether in these cryptocurrencies. Now, the next one is to pick the investment frequency. So if you click on this drop down arrow right there, you can see you have, if you scroll up, you can see you have 10 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, and so on. This is showing you the period you want to use to invest. So if you want to invest every 10 minutes, you pick 10 minutes. If I pick 10 minutes, that means that the trading bot will be helping me to invest in the cryptocurrencies I've picked every 10 minutes. So let's, for example, I want to pick every week, every 1 week. So I can pick 1 week right here. Just come here to where you have 1 week. You pick 1 week right here. That means that this trading bot will be investing $20 in BTC, $20 in ETH, and $10 in Cardano every week. I hope you understand that. Now, the next thing is to check the available balance you have in your funding wallet. So right now, I have $1,032 in my funding wallet on Bybit. And if you come right here to where you have maximum investment amount for DCA bot, this is optional by the way. Now, this is telling you that if you have the maximum amount you want to invest in this, you can enter it here. So let's, for example, the maximum amount I want to invest in all of these cryptocurrencies is, let's say, $500. I don't want to invest anything higher than $500. So that means that if this trading bot has invested a total of $500 for you, the trading bot is going to end or it is going to stop. So that's the meaning of this amount. So it is optional. If you want to enter it, you can enter it. If you want to enter it, you can leave it right there. So once you've entered all of these details, just come right here to the bottom side and click on create now. Right here, you're going to be seeing the summary of your bot right here. So you can see the currency you're using to invest is USDT. The investment frequency is 1 week. That you want to be investing every 1 week. The crypto you're investing in are BTC. You're investing $20, ETH, $20, Cardano, $10. So once you've confirmed everything, just click on confirm right here. And right here, you can see created successfully. And then it's going to bring you to the trading bot page right here. So right here is where you can now start monitoring your trading bot. So right here, you can monitor how much you're investing and all of that. So you can see right here that the investment has started already. It has invested about $50 for us already. I can see that the next one will be in 6 days, 23 hours, 59 minutes. So this time right here, showing you the next time the trading bot will invest for me. And right here, where you have total P&L in USDT, this is where you can monitor the amount you are making or you are losing with your investment. So you can basically monitor your trades right here. Now, you might want to ask me that, can you end this anytime? Yes, you can end this anytime. I can end this immediately by coming to where I have terminate right here. Once I click on terminate, it's going to end automatically and my investment will move back to my funding wallet. So you need to take note of that. So you can end it anytime. It's not that you have to end it after like 1 week or 1 month or 2 months. No, you can end it anytime. Now, I want to ask me that, will my money go up if the crypto go up and will my money go down if the crypto goes down? Yes, your money will go up if the price of the crypto goes up and your money will also go down if the price of the crypto goes down. So you need to take note of that. So don't think that if the crypto is going down, your money will not go down. No, your money will also go down if the crypto is going down and your money will also go up if the crypto is going up. So this is everything you need to know about the DCA, dollar cost averaging bot. It helps you to invest automatically and periodically in cryptocurrencies of your choice. So right now, I'm going to be terminating this to end it. Then I will go on and explain the sports grid and the futures grid. So if you want to terminate your DCA bot, just come here to where you have terminate. So you can decide to withdraw the 3 cryptocurrencies you've invested in directly to your wallet, or you just convert everything to USDT and withdraw the USDT equivalent. So I'll be withdrawing everything in USDT and I click on confirm right here. As it's successfully terminated. So right there, we've already successfully terminated the bot. Now the next one is sports grid, and to do the sports grid, you come here to click sports grid right here. So right here, I'm on the sports grid trading bot page on Bybit, And I'm sure you know what spot trading is. Now, spot trading is when you buy a crypto at a low price and then you sell it at a higher price for profit. So this is what the spot grade trading bot is going to be doing for you. Now, how do you set this? Now, before I actually show you how to set this, I'm going to be using this illustration on the screen to explain to you what the spot grid is actually doing and how you will be making money with the spot grid trading bot. Now, how this is going to be working is that you're going to set a price range at which you want the trading bot to take trades for you. So, for example, with this illustration, the trading bot is trading for us between $0.3 to $0.5. That's the range at which this is traded for us. Now, there's something called interval in the spot grid. Now, the interval you have for your grid is the interval between the entry price and the take profit price. So, for example, the interval for this illustration is 0.05. That means that after every 0.05, you are going to be taking profit, or the trading bot will take profit for you. So as you can see, for example, the trading bot started at this point. For example, it started at $0.3. That is, it entered the trade at $0.3. Now, because the interval is 0.05, that means that it is going to take profit at 0.35 because the interval is 0.05. Remember that 0.3 plus 0.05 is 0.35. So that means that when the price gets to 0.35, it is going to sell for you. And right here, you can see a buy at 0.3 and you can see a sell at 0.35. Now, you can see it bought again. You can see another buy at 0.35. Now, the next take profit will be 0.4 because don't forget the interval is 0.05. Always take note of the interval. I'll be showing you all of these by the time we are setting the trading bot. So that is how it's going to continue until it gets to 0.5. And at 0.5, it's not going to take another trade. And if the price comes down again, to take another trade within this range that you have set for the bot. Now, let me show you how you can set all of these details so you can understand better. Now, right here on the screen, there are two ways you can set your spot grid bot. You can set it using the AI strategy or you can set it manually. Now, using the AI strategy means that it is AI that will set all the details for you. You don't need to set anything. So, for example, what you just need to do is just pick the amount you want to use to trade and the crypto you want to trade. So, for example, the crypto you want to trade right here, you can pick it where you have BTC USDT. So, you can change it right here with under crypto, but let's leave it as BTC USDT. And then you can see the price range is 12,891 to 51,567. That means that the trading bot will take trades for us between 12,891 to 51,567. And the number of grids is 99. That is, there will be 99 grids or 99 trades. And then the interval is 390 USDT. This is the interval I was talking about. I said in the example that the interval was 0.05. So that means that this will be taking profit for us after every 390.66 USDT. And you can see the profit bar grid. So that means for every grid, you'll be making between 0.76% to 3.03% profit. So if you scroll down here, you can enter the amount you want to use to trade. And then once you enter that, you can just click on create now. But I'm not going to be using the AI strategy. I'll be setting it myself. So if I want to set it myself, you come here to where you have manual. So once you come here to where you have manual, the first thing again is to pick the crypto you want to trade. So I'll leave it at BTC USDT. And then the next thing is to pick the price range. Now, as you can see, Bitcoin is currently at 25,802. So let's say I want the trading bot to take trades for me between $24,000 to $27,000. So let's say that's what I want. I'll put that there. And then I'll enter the number of grids. So I'll enter between 2 to 37. So it will show you the number you can enter, the lowest number and the highest number you can enter. And this will depend on the price range you enter here. So for 24,000 to 27,000, the grids I can enter is between 2 to 37. Let's say I want to enter 35 grids. Now, what you should know is that you can see you have profit per grid. For 35 grid, it is 0.31 to 0.35% profit per grid. So one thing you need to take note of is that the higher your number of grids, the lower your profit. So if I enter, change it to 10 now, you can see I'm making 1.1% to 1.25% per grid, profit per grid. So the higher the grid, the lower the percentage you are making. So let's just leave it at 30. Let's leave it at 30 grids. So you can see the interval is 100 USDT. Don't forget the interval. That means that after every 100 USDT, the trading bot will take profit for me. Now, the next thing you want to do is to enter your total investment. So how much do I want to use for this? Like I said, the minimum I can use for this is 467.7 USDT. So let's, for example, I want to use $500 for this. I'll enter $500 right there. And if you see where you have advanced settings, bracket, optional, if you click on it, this is where you can enter your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. Now, for me, I'm not going to be entering all of this. Now, if you want to enter entry price, that is the price at which the first trade will take place. But if we don't set entry price, that means that immediately click on create now and you confirm, the trading bot will start the trades immediately. And for your stop loss, it means that if it gets to your stop loss, the trading bot will close and you will take your losses. And for take profit, if it gets to that price you put it here, it will close your trades and you take your profit. So for this, I'm not going to be setting any of this entry price, stop loss, or take profit. But if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. So once you've done all of this, just click on create now right here. And right here on your screen, you're going to be seeing the summary of your trading bot, of your sports grid trading bot. So you can see the total investment is 500 USDT. The market pair we are doing is BTC USDT. The price range is 24,000 to 27,000 USDT. Now this means that it will trade within this range. So if the price gets to like $23,000, the trading bot will not take any trade. Even if it's $23,900, it won't take any trade for me. That's the meaning of this price range. And then for the grids, you can see it's 30 grids. Interval is 100 USDT and the profit per grid is 0.37 to 0.41%. So once I've confirmed all of that, I'll just click on confirm. And then to bring you to your trading bot, right? So this is where you can monitor your trades. So you can see you have total investment is $500. This is where you can monitor how your profit is going up or down. This is where you can see the market pair. Then you can see the price range and the number of grids. So I can always come back here to come and check how my trading bot is doing. So I'll be leaving this right here and then I'll go to the next one, which is futures grid. So right here where my cursor is, where you have the futures grid, so you click on it. Now for futures grid, obviously you know that it is helping you to take futures trades. Now futures trading is when you trade futures contracts. You long and short your trades. Now you know longing means that you are predicting that the price will go up, and shorting means that you are predicting that the price will go down. So this is exactly what the futures grid bot will be doing for you. Now as you can see on the screen, just like the sports grid bot, we have AI strategy and the manual strategy. Now for the AI strategy again, it's going to be setting all the details for you. So I'll not be going into all that because I'll be using manual. That means I'll be setting everything myself. So we're under manual right here. And again, the first thing you want to do is to pick the crypto you want to trade. For sports grid, we pick BTC USDT. For this, let me try and pick ETH. Let's pick ETH for this. And the next thing is to pick neutral or long or short. Now for neutral is going to be taking short or long orders for you. For long one will be taking long positions for you, and short will be taking short positions for you. Now for this video, I'll be leaving it at neutral. So I wanted to take both long and short trades for me. Now the reason why I'm picking neutral is because I want to use it as an experiment to see how this is actually going to work out and look like. Because I'll be coming back to show you guys the result after some days. So I'll be coming back to show you guys the result after about 1 week to 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. So right here, I'll enter the price range right here that I want this to take trades for me. So let's, for example, I want the trading bot to take trades for me between $1,300 to $2,000. So let's leave it there. And then for the number of grids, you can see you can select 2 to 200. So let's select 100. Let me put 100 grids. And right there, you see the profit per grid is 2% to 3%. Now you can see the leverage right here. We have 10x leverage here. Now if you want to increase it or decrease it, you can go ahead and do that. But for this video, I'm going to be leaving it at 10x leverage. So let's just leave it at 10x leverage. I don't want to pick something too high and something too low. So the next thing is to enter the investment you want to use. So let's say, for example, you can see the minimum I can use is 130 USDT. So let's say I want to use 500 USDT. I'll go ahead and enter 500 right there. And then the next thing you can do is to pick your entry price, your stop price, and your stop bottom price. So right here, your entry price again is the price at which you want the first trade to start. If you don't enter entry price, it will start immediately. You confirm all the details. Now the top price is because we are using neutral, not long or short. Neutral, that's why you have stop top price and stop bottom price. stop top price means that if I set at the price here, if it gets to that price, the trading bot will stop trading. And if I set the price here for top bottom price, it means that if it go down to this price, the trading bot will stop trading. But I don't want to set all of that, so I'll leave it. But if you want to go ahead and set that for your own trading bot, you can go ahead and do that. So once I've done that, I'll just click on create now. And right here, you can see the summary of your trading bot. And then you come right here and click on confirm. And right here, you can see your futures grid bot right here. So you can see investment is $500. Contract we are trading is ETH USDT. And we are trading the neutral. That we are doing long and short with 10x. You can see the price range and you can see the number of trades. Now, one thing you should take note is that you can terminate or close any of these trading bots at any time, just like the DCA. So you can just come right here, you have terminate and terminate right here and end it. So as you can see on the screen, I've just used my trading bot to do DCA, futures trade, and spot trade. So if you're the kind of person that you're always busy and you don't have time for trading, then this is perfectly for you. Now, I've used the trading bot for a short period of time before making this video, and I can say that it is good to an extent. This has its bad side and its good side, but I can say it is good to an extent, and it will be best option for those who love to trade or love to invest, but they don't have the time. And the disadvantage is that you don't have total control over your trade. The trading bot does everything for you. What you are just doing is just to set when it is buying, when it is selling, number of grids, and amount you are investing. That's the only thing you have control over, but you don't have control over every other thing. Now, as you can see right here, I've invested $500 for the futures grid bot and $500 for the sports grid bot. If you have any questions about the trading bot or anything I've talked about in this video, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.